In the research paper, Human Physiological Responses to Immersion into Water of Different Temperatures, they found that cold water immersion increased dopamine levels by 250%. They tested the subjects in 32, 20, and 14 degrees Celsius, but there was no significant change in the cases of 32 and 20 degrees Celsius. The data supported their thesis that responses induced by cold are mainly due to increased activity of the sympathetic nervous system. This means that you can increase your dopamine levels by taking short, cold showers. 14 degrees Celsius is a good choice of temperature based on this research. You can turn up the heat towards the end of the shower to get comfortable again.